guys, Ethan Pleasant back here with another video. We named the bird Lawrence, plus we made a nest for him. See, this is a tree.
What up, bro?
So, yeah, there goes Lawrence.
I can't see you.
Ooh.
That's how you do it.
There goes
I'm gonna
Lawrence.
pick him up.
Hey, no.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing?
You could have made me drop it.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Put it back in the nest.
I can touch it if I want. You have no lives.
We have lives, Bryson. How do you think we saved the bird?
I'm not talking to you.
I'm sorry, I just wanted to say something.
I'm talking to them. They keep making Brooklyn condition
Let me
fight.
see. Let me see the baby. Let me hold it.
Oh, you want to hold him?
Stop! I already took a shower.
Okay, who cares?
Ethan,
If you came out here, you're gonna have to take a shower again.
one of them gonna end up. One of them gonna end up injured.
Yeah.
Stop playing.
Okay, Ethan Pleasant out is getting too tense in here.